Today I'm going to show you how to use a broken mug as a planter. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to use this broken mug into a beautiful planter. You can use any ceramic mug, coffee mugs, used ones, old ones as planters. The special thing about this is there's no holes, no broken parts. This one is an old mug. So let's see how I do it. When selecting plants to the mug, you will have to select either succulents or plants that have small roots like these syngoniums, or you can select aloe vera plant, or you can select a spider plant, and even money plants will do well. So now I have selected a money plant to pot in this. So I will talk to you about the soil mixture. Here I have taken garden soil with sand only, no compost. It is well draining dry soil. For the layering, the bottom should be with these construction rocks, right? And if you are unable to get those, the next option is get some garden rocks like this will do for the bottom layer. Now the bottom layer, I'm going to put these construction stones like this, right? After that I'm going to put the soil and I'm going to put the plant. So now I'm done with this mug. Now you can place it as an indoor plant in your kitchen, in your washroom, or even in your living room with another decoration. So now I'm watering this plant like this. So it will not need water for another 2 to 3 days. So now I have kept it in my kitchen, in the corner of my kitchen as a kitchen decoration. See? So this is how it looks. That's it for today. Hope to see you again with another video. Until next time. Bye.